Hi, my name is Rafiq Mohammed. I'm a software developer. We are going to learn about Python. It's a crash course and the world's fastest growing programming language. So, Python can be used to software engineers, data analysts, accountants, mathematicians, scientists, network engineers, and kids. In the real world, uh, why should we use Python? Python is a productivity, high level, huge community, cross platform, and large ecosystem. Let's see one by one. What is productivity? If we can solve complex problems in less time with a fewer lines of code. And Python has a prime example of high level programming language, which means it uses a syntax that is closer to natural language, and it got huge community surrounding Python is the Python Discord server, which is a large online forum dedicated to all things Python. Why it is cross-platform? Why? Because Python code can run on various operating systems such as Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and other without requiring substantial modifications. Python ecosystem is vast and encompasses numerous libraries and frameworks that supports a wide range of applications. Let's see, for example, why it is so easy and why it is simple. The code, for example, if you want to read or print a first three characters from a hello world, now let's see how it's going to be work in C sharp. Now, to read or to print the first three characters from a string called hello world, uh, in C sharp, we use a function called substring, and we have to pass the parameter. First parameter is the zero index, which is starting from h, and we need till l, right? H-E-L. So that is 3. The same way we use the function called substring in JavaScript. Same, we will pass the same thing. But if you see in the Python, we use only text function, and it is very simple. You just need to pass 3 as the parameter. That's it. That is how it is very simple in Python.